Is there anyone like me? I wonder if there is another me somewhere in the world who looks the same and talks the same and even has my curls. Someone with my eyes, my ears, who even has my laugh. Someone who can do what I can do and cannot do what I cannot do. I have looked and looked everywhere and to find another me. I went to the park and looked behind the trees. I looked around at every single face. I couldn't find another